Everybody, welcome to this video. We're gonna take a look on how to install Git Bash. So just type Git Bash, go to your Google Chrome. I'm already on Google Chrome. Type Git Bash, and then from here, now we're gonna do it on Mac. So you click Mac. I've already downloaded it. So just click Mac, you automatically download. So let's just do the installation together. Let's open the Git. So yeah, here we have two files. We're gonna blah 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 because it's not open. Your security performance is blah, blah, blah. Okay. So folks, this is what we encounter now. We have to install. So we have to go through all this menu. Like for example, they say to override your security system and open the app anyway. So this is everything that they have asked us to read. So you can go through it. I'll just read them before you see. Now I can open the app, and then we continue with our install. They say in the Finder on your Mac, locate the app you want to open. Do not use launcher pad, blah 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 blah. So you can read it. Then I will just have to click next. Click now install. So that asks me for my password. One. Install. So that's how you say the installation was successfully installed. So guys, that's how you install Git Bash on your Mac. So if you face the issue that we have just faced, you just have to do what I've just done. What I've done, I just right click and I click open. When it open, it will ask you like what I just opened. It will ask you another window will show up, so you can now continue your installation. Okay, that was it guys. Thank you for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.